This video explains how to draw a box around a base R plot using the box function in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you several examples, and all of these examples are based on the two vector objects that we can create with lines 2 to 6 of the code. So in line 2 of the code I'm creating the first vector object, which is called x. And this vector object contains 5 numeric values ranging from 5 to 1. And then in line 5 of the code I'm creating another vector object which is called y, and the values in this object are ranging from 4 to 8. Now if we want to draw these data, we can use the plot function, as you can see in line 8 of the code. And within the plot function we simply need to specify our two vector objects x and y. So after running line 8 of the code, you can see at the bottom right of RStudio that a new scatter plot is created, which is showing our 5 data points. You can also see that at this point no colored box is added around our plot. And if we want to add such a box, we can apply the box function, as you can see in line 9 of the code. And within the box function, we simply have to specify the color of the box that we want to use. So in this case, I want to draw a red box. So after running line 9 of the code, you can see at the bottom right that the box around our plot is changed from black to red. We can also increase or decrease the thickness of this box line, as you can see in lines 11 to 13 of the code. So in line 11 of the code, I'm first recreating our plot without a colored box. And then in lines 12 to 13 of the code, I'm using the box function. I'm specifying that I want to draw a red box. And then I'm using the LWD argument to increase the thickness of our box. So in this case, I'm choosing a thickness of 5. So after running lines 12 and 13 of the code, you can see at the bottom right that the box around our plot is changed to red and that the thickness of this box has been increased. It's also possible to draw a box around the entire plot window, and we can do that, as you can see in lines 15 to 17 of the code. So in line 15 of the code, I'm recreating our plot without a box. And then in lines 16 to 17 of the code, I'm once again applying the box function. I'm specifying that I want to draw a red box. And then I'm using the which argument to specify that I want to draw a box around the entire figure. So after running lines 16 and 17 of the code, you can see that a red line is added around the entire figure. We can even see that better by zooming into the plot. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.